Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be breaking down an Amazon PPC topic that most people get wrong, and I'll share what I have personally learned over the past 4 years. So please stick till the end if you really want to grow your brand. Okay, so there are 6 simple strategies that will help you to grow. So the first one is build PPC around contribution margin and not just ACOS. So what does it means? Like ACOS alone can be misleading from my experience because it doesn't tell you the full picture, right? There are other KPIs you need to look at. Let's say if my ACOS is going high but my other uh, things are going well, like my keywords are improving, my keywords rankings are improving, and the tagos is going down and the conversion rate is lifting, so I'm really fine with it. Okay, I really don't care about like if my ACOS is going well, because these are the efficient metric, and if these are performing well, so I'm okay with it. Okay, so the second one is a separate discovery and scaling campaign at the account level. So like everybody run broad campaigns, auto campaigns, so it matters like how well you optimize these campaigns, because like these are search term engines. So if you don't if you don't look at the search term report every week, so you must be missing something very important, because there are search terms. If you have to make sure like you are keep looking at the search term report every week to see like which keyword is performing well and which one is not, so that you can like you don't overspend on the keywords, right? So, and the other thing is, if a keyword is performing well, so you can move them into exact match with fixed bids, and give that particular keyword a proper budget and let it perform. Okay, so that's how you can optimize in a better way. And the third one is align PPC with the listing conversion rate. So this means like it depends like how well your listing adapts in terms of buyers, because like first of all you have to make sure you are letting your buyers come into your listing, and then you need to make sure they purchase your product. Okay, so you have to make sure you have everything perfect in your listing. You have everything, like you have a video, your images, your content is well optimized, your bullets point, your title, your description is describing what they need basically, right? So, and you have a positive reviews, you must have a video that describes your products, and the UGC videos as well, you have bundles as well. So you need to make sure you have to make sure that you don't let your buyer away, like go away in your when they comes in your listing. So the conversion rates matters a lot, and this is the conversion. Okay, so the fourth one is use the SQP to decide what deserve budgets. SQP is one of the most important tools that is often overlooked, I've personally observed. So this is what describes for each keyword like how much you are getting against uh, the competition, the market. So if you just like you need to look at this report like and every week, and if twice, you can say that twice in a month, so that you can see like where are you leaking, and there is always a benchmark, and you need to compare the data with the market data and what you are getting against them. Okay, so this is something it's really important. And the impression share report as well. So keep looking at this report, SQP report and the impression share report, like it describes like where are you losing in terms of keywords, and if there is a demand and what you are getting against them. Okay, so keep looking at them. And the fifth one is change bids based on conversion and not just CPC. So uh, this is something that like everything everybody does this thing, like when your ACOS is going high, so everybody decrease your bids or budget something, right? So you don't have to do this but you need to look at the conversion rate. If only in this situation when your conversion rate go down, so that then you can decrease your bid or budget by only 5%. Don't do this like too much or something. So if your like like ACOS is going high, but if your conversion rate is going also high, so you don't need to touch anything, because ACOS, it can be due to like this higher CPC or something, and if you have low ticket product or something, so let it run, and make sure like you are not overspending money on PPC, so that you can control ACOS as well. So, and if you are just looking at this part, so everything is okay. Okay, so always optimize your bets on the base of conversion rate, not just echoes only. Okay, leverage data from competitors campaign, the sixth one is. So it's mean like I must say, don't run your ads only, but if you don't know like what the other competitors are doing, and if you are not looking at what they are doing, like you need to make sure that like ads is not everything. If your listing is not perfect, so it will not work for you. So I always work on like I always find my competitors, like what they are doing and how to defense my, like how to run defensive campaign to protect my brand. And you need to do this stuff, you need to do this stuff, so that you can stand in the market. Like keep looking at what they are serving, and in terms of quality, in terms of selling, like what they are offering to their buyers, right? So competitors analysis is one of the most important thing that you help that will help you to grow, because it it will give you an idea like where you are standing now and where you want to be, like